Hi guys, welcome back. Here I am again, breaking down the barriers of what it's like to start a clothing brand, or to start my clothing brand at least. I'm just up here in the office, storage, photographing, studio area, you name it. Everything gets done in here apart from the printing. Tonight I am busy doing a stock take. So it's not the most space in here, but I'm doing my end of year stock count for our accounts really. So I've got to count through all the stock, some of which is laid out here. Yeah, it's one of the least glamorous parts of starting a clothing brand, it has to be said. But it needs to be done. I've got a load of stock to count through up here, then downstairs, where I do all the printing. I've got some stock down there to count as well, which I'll do in the morning. If you don't know, I screen print all my own stuff for my clothing brand. I've got a screen printing studio set up downstairs below this spare bedroom in the garage. So that's where the magic happens. And there's also some up in the loft. So if you're trying to run a clothing brand from home, make sure you've got some space. Definitely allow for that. If you're not doing print on demand and you're going to ship this store and ship this out yourself, things do tend to get spread around the house. So if you're living with family, bear that in mind. Try find a place that you can try close off, because it does, as you can see, start to spread out. Now, it will get tidied up at the end of the day. It doesn't always look like this, but when you're counting through stuff, it's kind of necessary to get it all out. I'll just show you this. This is a super pink t-shirt that I printed earlier in the week. Going to photograph that tomorrow. As you can see at the end of the room there, I've got an IKEA curtain pole, which is running through a paper roll, which I run down the wall there for doing all my photography. The big dome light here gets set back at the end of the room, and all these boxes are gone, and I'll photograph down the room using my digital SLR over there, an old old Nikon D750, which has served me very well. So I'll photograph that. So it's a chest print. I've used a water-based ink for the chest print there. On all of my tees now, I'm putting a little sleeve logo. That's the VÉLOKIND brand sleeve logo. A neck print. So get rid of all the internal labels and print a nice soft neck print there. And then down at the bottom, just to finish things off, is a woven label, which I put on all my tees, or nearly all of them at least. So yeah, looking forward to getting that on the website tomorrow. If you're interested, check out some of the other videos on the channel. I've been going now for, well, I've been running the brand for about 18 months and posting videos on YouTube for the last 3 or 4 months or so. So if you're one of those people that have subscribed up until this point, I'm really, really grateful. So thank you for supporting me and continuing to watch. It's nice to share these videos, and it's nice for me to look back on. Hopefully it's of interest and useful to you too, as you start to plan and think about starting your own clothing brand. If you've got any questions, drop me a note in the comments below, and we'll take it from there. Catch you in the next video, guys. Cheers. Bye for now.